Hello guys, a very good morning to all of you. Before going to exercise, today we will talk about zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. See here, the question will be like that. Check whether -2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. How we can find -2 and 2 are zeros of polynomial x plus 2? Let us see. We first of all write this polynomial like that. Let px equal to x plus 2. Here I write px. This p is for polynomial and value is x here, and when the value is -2 we put here in this equation. When p in place of x, here 2 is there, so we write this equation like 2 plus 2. In place of x I have written 2. So the value of p2 is 4. And when in place of x in this polynomial value is -2, this equation will be like that. In place of x -2 I will write here plus 2. So -2 plus 2, that's equal to 0. So we see here the value of this polynomial is 4 for 2 and value for this is 0. -2 is the zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. We write here, therefore -2 is zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. So guys, we learn about zeros of polynomial, and now come on exercise 2.2. The first question is, find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to -1 and x equal to 2. Guys, you take your textbook in front of you. Now I am going to solve this question. Polynomial is 5x minus 4x square plus 3, and we have to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So we write this polynomial like px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, and for value of this x I will write here p0. So we write this like p in place of x value is 0 here, minus 4 0 square plus 3, and the value of this 0 minus 0 plus 3. So the value of polynomial is 3 for the value of x. This is the answer. Now see the second question. We have to find the value of polynomial for the value x equal to -1. Now again we will write px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, and the value of x is -1. So we write p -1, that's equal to minus 4 minus 1 square plus 3. This will be minus 5 minus 4 plus 3, and minus 9 plus 3, that equal to be minus 6. So we can write the value of p -1 equal to -6. Answer. See now next question, third, x equal to 2. We have to find the value of this polynomial. So again we write this like 5x minus 4x square plus 3, and in place of x we write 2 here. So the value is 5 into 2 minus 4 to the power 2 plus 3. That will be equal to 10 minus 16 plus 3. That's equal 13 minus 16, and the value of this will be -3. So the value of polynomial for x value 2 is -3. Answer. Guys, see now next second question. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. Here value of polynomials are given and we have to find value for different values. So now question number second, and the first part of this question is Py that equal to y square minus y plus 1, and we have to find the value of this polynomial for P0. So P0 equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1, that equal to 1. Answer. And now value of P1 equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So the value of this polynomial for P1 is 1. Answer. Now see next, the value of this polynomial for value 2 is 2 square minus 2 plus 1, that equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1, and that equal to 3. Answer. Now see the second question. The polynomial is Pt equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. And now we have to find the value of this polynomial for different values. First value is P0. In place of t, we write this like 0 plus 2 0 square minus 0 cube, that equal to, this term will be 0 and this will be 2 only. Answer. Second, P1, that equal to 2 plus, in place of t I will write here 1 plus 2 into, in place of t 1 will be there, a square minus 1 to the power cube, that equal to 3 plus, this will be 2 minus 1. So the value of this will be 4. Answer. And now next, value of this polynomial for the P2, that equal to 2 plus, in place of t I will write here 2 plus, in place of t 2 का square minus 2 का cube. So we write this will be 4 plus 4 into 2, that will be 8 minus 8. So the value of this P2 is 4. So we can write answer 2, 4 and again 4 for different values. Okay guys, I think you understand these questions. Now see next question. The question is Px equal to x cube. So the value of this polynomial for P0 equal to 0 का cube, that is 0. Answer. And P1 equal to 1 का cube, that equal to 1. Answer. And for the value P2, that equal to 2 cube, that equal to 8. Answer. Now see next question 4. Px equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. We write the value of this Px for 0, that equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. So minus 1 into plus 1, that equal to minus 1. Answer. And now P1, that equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. For this value we write here, in place of x 1 and minus 1 is there, and in place of 1, so the value of this will be 0 into 2, that equal to 0. Answer. and now the value of polynomial for this value is 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, 2 for this x and this 2 for this x. So the value of this is 1 into 3, that equal to 3. Answer. So guys, now we have done 2 questions of exercise 2.2, and for next other questions 3 and 4 we will meet in next video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक जरूर करें, साथ ही अगर आप चैनल को फर्स्ट बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें, ताकि आपको और जो भी वीडियो मैं बनाऊं वो नोटिफिकेशन के जरिए मिलती रहे। आप बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस कर लें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।